Do you think it's possible to restore worn-out knee cartilage not with surgery or pills, but with ordinary food? Most people are sure that once knees start to hurt and joints rust with every step, there's no way back. Only pain, limited movement, and the constant fear of losing freedom. But today I'll tell you something that completely overturns those ideas. The orthopedic surgeon we'll talk about is 97 years old. Over his life, he has seen thousands of knees, broken, inflamed, destroyed by arthritis. More importantly, he has seen how they recover, and he states, one simple natural product can start the regeneration process in just 24 hours. Yes, you heard right, 24 hours, and all you have to do is add it to your diet. Admit it, that sounds like fantasy. We're used to thinking food is just energy, that cartilage can't regenerate, that aging means pain and limitations. But it turns out the key to the lock that keeps us captive to pain might be on our plates. That's exactly what I'll uncover in this video. Here, you'll learn which foods literally lubricate your joints from the inside, which vegetables, fruits, proteins, and oils restore cartilage, reduce inflammation, and let you feel lightness in every movement again. But the main thing, at the end of the video, I'll show you the champion, the #1 product people rarely mention. Subscribe to the channel if staying mobile, free, and healthy matters to you, and be sure to watch to the end. One of the points will surprise even the most skeptical viewers. I'm not saying this just for intrigue. Some things seem too simple to be true, yet the truth in them is stronger than any pill commercial. Food number 1, the unnoticed green defender. When it comes to knee health, most people immediately think of pills, ointments, or in extreme cases, surgery. But few realize the solution can be green and sitting right on the kitchen shelf. Yes, I'm talking about ordinary broccoli. At first glance, it's just a vegetable. Some find it tasteless, others recall pushing it aside on their plate as kids. Yet broccoli is a natural shield for joints, especially for knee cartilage. It contains sulforaphane, a powerful substance scientists call a natural joint protection activator. It slows cartilage breakdown by blocking harmful enzymes that wear joints down from the inside over the years. But sulforaphane isn't just protection, it's a builder. It triggers cartilage repair processes like an engineer rebuilding the joint's support. This is especially important after age 40, when the body's natural regeneration starts to slow. I often picture knee joints as gears. They need not only lubricating oil, but rust protection. Broccoli is exactly the oil that keeps aging from taking over the joint. The effect of broccoli can be felt after only a few weeks. People who add it to their diet notice easier movement, morning stiffness disappearing, the sense of tightness in knees fading. Including broccoli is simple. In salads, lightly steamed, or in a smoothie with apple. Tasty, healthy, and easy. Broccoli is rich in vitamins C and K, fiber and plant proteins, the building blocks your body uses to create strong bones and reliable joints. Food number 2. A valuable gift from the sea. If joints could talk, they'd thank you for every serving of salmon. And that's no exaggeration. Among all foods that help restore cartilage, salmon holds a special place thanks to its unique combination of omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein. Inflammation is the main enemy of joints. It destroys tissue, makes cartilage porous, causes pain, and limits mobility. Salmon is a natural anti-inflammatory. Its omega-3s act gently yet precisely, reducing inflammation and creating a favorable environment for recovery. Besides omega-3s, salmon contains top-quality protein needed to produce collagen, the glue that holds the joint together. Salmon is especially important for people over 50, when natural collagen production slows. Salmon is tasty and versatile, grilled, in a casserole, in a salad, or sushi. The key is to choose wild rather than farmed. It has more benefits and fewer additives. Food number 3. A sunny citrus shield. An orange is more than a source of vitamin C. Knee cartilage is largely made of collagen, and without vitamin C, the body can't produce it. Oranges saturate you with vitamin C, triggering restoration and strengthening of cartilage, while bioflavonoids boost its effect and reduce inflammation on their own. Adding orange is easy. Fresh squeezed juice in the morning, slices in a salad at lunch, or just a fruit for a snack. Food number 4. A leaf that strengthens from within. Kale is a superfood for joints. It's rich in vitamin K and calcium, the cement and rebar of the skeletal framework. Vitamin K directs calcium into bones rather than vessels, strengthens joints, and reduces inflammation. Kale is easy to prepare. Salads, smoothies, side dishes, soups, or lightly sautéed with garlic, and a healthy dish is ready. Food number 5. The kitchen's modest hero. Black beans are a quiet yet powerful ally for joints. Plant protein, magnesium, and zinc are needed to synthesize collagen and relax the muscles around the joint. Bean anthocyanins reduce inflammation, and fiber improves digestion and mineral absorption. Beans are versatile. Boiled, stewed, in soups, salad, or pureed. They're an accessible natural supplement with no side effects. Food number 6. The berry of youth. Blueberries are tiny armor berries for joints. Anthocyanins purge joints of inflammation and improve microcirculation, delivering nutrients to cartilage. Blueberries are also rich in vitamin C and fiber, meaning they strengthen cartilage and help absorb beneficial substances. Add a handful of blueberries to yogurt, a smoothie, or eat them as a snack. Tasty and healing. Food number 7. The sweet root of strength. Sweet potato is a real treasure for joints. Beta-carotene speeds cell regeneration, while vitamin C helps synthesize collagen. Fiber improves digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and reduces inflammation. Baked, boiled, steamed, or mashed, sweet potato retains its benefits even with the skin on. Food number 8. Liquid gold for joints. Cold-pressed olive oil is a natural elixir of longevity. Oleocanthal acts like a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug but without side effects, and vitamin E protects cartilage cells from oxidative stress. A spoonful on an empty stomach, as salad dressing or a dash in a smoothie, and you're already reducing inflammation and improving absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Food number 9. The elixir that builds cartilage. Chicken bone broth is the top champion of recovery. Slow simmering, at least 8 hours, with apple cider vinegar draws collagen, glucosamine, chondroitin, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus from the bones. A complete construction kit for cartilage and bones. 1 cup of homemade broth a day triggers regeneration. Less stiffness, more mobility, faster healing of micro-injuries. Now you know, knees can be restored not through injections and surgeries, but through food that works for you every day. These products aren't magic, they're biology. Give your body the right fuel and it will start repairing itself. A future without pain starts on your plate. Don't wait for pain to force you into action. Start today, and you'll feel the return of what you thought was lost. If this was helpful, subscribe. We talk plainly about what truly works and can change your life right now. Remember, strength isn't only in muscles. Strength is in movement, and movement begins with a healthy joint. Take care of them, and they'll repay you with freedom, lightness, and longevity.